Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Thank you all for being here so much. I really appreciate your support on this channel. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about vaccines. Okay, the hot debate right now is, will you take the vaccine? Y'all, I'm not saying one way or the other, should you take the vaccine. Only you can decide that. I will tell you I will take it, but it will be down the road. I'm not going to take it right off the bat. I believe this vaccine is the beginning of the end of this pandemic. Dr. Fauci has said it, several high-ranking officials have said it, and I believe it to be true. Okay, who gets the vaccine first in the U.S.? As it stands, the frontline workers will get it first, along with the high-risk group people. After that would be prisoners and people in detention centers, then children, and then everyone else. A lot of people are upset because prisoners will get it before children. Prisoners and people in detention centers is a high-risk group because there's so many of them in a closed up area. Children are the lowest risk group, so of course this time the children will be last. As you know, as a rule, women and children are always first. Not this time. It's going towards to the people that needs it the worst. The UK has approved the vaccine for emergency use. They are passing it out now, and it will soon come to the United States just as soon as the FDA approves it. Will you take it? Leave me a comment and let me know. Will you take it? I will take it, but I'm going to wait a little while, and in just a few minutes I'll tell you why I'm going to wait and why you should wait too. And really, we're waiting, and on the other hand, if you think about it, we're not waiting. So a lot of people are upset that the UK is getting this vaccine first. PHIZER said there will be 50 million doses. The UK is sucking up 40 million doses. Okay, that's fine. I'm not upset about that. You know why? Let the UK be the guinea pig. We can sit over here and watch what happens. If they have bad effects from it, we won't take it. If it works good, everybody line up and take it. Let the UK be the guinea pig for us. That way we don't have to wonder, will it be safe when we take it? It should be, if everything goes okay in the UK. Okay, now, so if the UK is the guinea pig, we can see from them the effects. Then we can make up our mind, do we want to take it or not? Okay, we said we would wait until we see the effects. Well, once it comes to the United States, we should be able to see the effects from the UK. So at that time, let's line up and take it if there wasn't no bad effects from it. They said the side effects would be as much as you got the flu or a bad cold. Okay, if it saves your life, I'll go through a few days of a bad cold. Stimulus funding and distribution for this vaccine. New York has said that they are broke and they can't afford to pay for distribution. Well, this also, the UK getting it first, this also gives us time to get the funding for distribution. Because if it's shipped to these states, it has to be kept in such a temperature that If it's not kept in that temperature, it's no good. So we could potentially have a lot of vaccine that is worthless water. So this will help us also. Let them be the guinea pig again. Pfizer says that this vaccine is going to be free, and it's 95% effective. Now, if y'all remember when they first started talking about it, they said it was 90% effective. Then it went to 92% effective, then 94% effective. Now they're saying 95%. So which is it? I mean, even at 90, that's a good ratio. Y'all, the drug itself may be free to get, but it is going to cost millions, maybe even billions of dollars to get it to the places where it needs to be. That's why they need the funding for it. Pfizer's not picking up the tab for that. As you know, Pfizer developed this drug on their own dime. They did not take any government funding. Therefore, I say thumbs up to Pfizer. They did it all on their own without any government help. That's unheard of, because normally if anybody can get government help, they get it. They could have, and they didn't. Y'all, I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Tell me what you're thinking about the vaccine. Also, please watch the video that's popping up here now. It's mine and my wife's show from last night. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are, please leave your comments. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through all of this. He's never let me down. I prayed to him hard when I had stage 4 throat cancer. And I'm still sitting here after the doctors gave up. Y'all, Jesus will get us through this. I love you all. Until next time, ciao.